Yeah, so here we are. What are we going to talk about?
Our brains are a little fried.
Oh, we are skank nasty, dirty. We stink. It's Friday. We haven't brushed our teeth since Sunday night.
Disgusting.
See? We have modified ways of cleaning our teeth. I use my pen lid, and I'm a seamstress, so I use thread to floss and to like rake across my teeth, which has helped a little bit. Our saving grace, I think, is that we don't eat anything with flavor, and so even though our breath smells like bacteria nasty, it doesn't smell like food nasty. I mean, we haven't been eating onions and garlic, so our breath doesn't smell onion and garlicky, but it does smell like just
stank.
Yuck. So we haven't brushed our teeth since then, and
that's why we don't get too close.
That's right. And the ants are attacking my toes right now.
We've only had one bath since we have begun this challenge. We took a bath on Wednesday.
Was it Wednesday?
I think. It wasn't yesterday.
Yeah,
it was Wednesday. And we're going to take another one today. So gross. But we're getting to the point of repulsing ourselves. It's pretty gross. You don't really realize what your natural body odor smells like because we use deodorant and fragrant soaps and body washes and shampoos. Yes. So we're really understanding our natural body odor, and it's not cute. It's not cute. So we're going to wash it all away today, hopefully. And,
it's going to be good.
It's going to be really good.
Brains are a little fried. I was really hoping that we would be able to better communicate this life of poverty to the people out there that actually want to know a little bit more about it, but it's been really, really difficult, even in the journaling, and even in the video journaling, just trying to collect your thoughts and get everything together. There's just so much going on inside of us, and so much going on around us that we're trying to take in that's so different than our normal lives, that it's hard to even get it out on paper. It's hard to collect your thoughts and put it on a video. Overall, it's really, really, really tough. It is tough to live like this, but what I found, especially over the last couple of days, is it's not unbearable. Like, if you know nothing else and this is life, it's an okay life. I mean, you can live like this. You can come to a store like the store just behind us, and you can buy whatever you need for your daily needs. It's not going to be much. There's going to be a little bit of food. They sell sugar here. They sell laundry detergent washing powders in a package is about this big, but it's perfect for what the people in this area need. And that's the thing that we've learned too. When I go shopping at the grocery store, I buy what I need for a week or a month or whatever. We buy everything in bulk, but here it's day to day. What do I need today? What can I get by with today? And that's what they buy, and they live day to day to day to day. And in some ways, you might think that's tough. But in a lot of ways, it's really nice. Refreshing. It's really refreshing just to be like, okay, what does today hold? What does today bring? And then you live for today. And so it's been nice in some ways, but beyond challenging in others. So it's the simplicity of life is so nice because you don't worry about what you're doing tomorrow. It's just, what am I doing today? And at home, it's, what am I doing next month on the 5th? I mean, we're so geared towards the future that we just kind of forget about the day. And here it's day to day. But so it's cool that you can buy those things and all that, but it is hard. Like, I don't want you to get the impression that it's not, because it's hard. I mean, we walk to the water in our bare feet and it hurts. And she carries water on her head, I carry it on my back, and it hurts. And I know these people have been doing it for 20, 30, 100 years. But I know probably that it's still not fun. They don't enjoy it. But it's just the way that life is. And the hunger is not fun. And we are actually a fortunate family to be able to eat as much as we do. But we're still hungry. We still feel hunger
Now I'm
now.
hungry. Last night I was hungry. I'm probably going to be hungry all day, even if I have my bit of ugali. But it's different for these people. They're hungry all the time, and it's worse because some of these people have never had anything before, and they don't have, and so it's really.
Good morning.
Because not everybody's as well off as we are. There are some people definitely living far worse than we are. So, our sugar lady's here. We got to go.
Peace.
See ya.